Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, July 11, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. How is your day starting?
Hi, David. It is good so far. I am just getting my coffee. How about you?
Oh, same here. This coffee helps me wake up. Busy day ahead?
Yes, I have a meeting later. What about you?
Sales calls all morning. Hey, did you see the news this week? Some interesting stuff?
Yes, I read a few things. What caught your eye?
First, there is this thing about global trade. I saw on CNN that the EU is talking about new deals with Asia. It was published on July 9.
Oh, really? What kind of deals?
They want to boost exports. It could mean more business for us in sales.
That sounds positive. How does it affect our projects?
Well, if trade grows, we might get more clients from there. I like that idea. More sales for me.
True. It is good for the economy, but we need to watch the details.
Yeah, you are right. Governments always add rules, but hey, it is better than nothing.
I agree. It shows countries are working together more.
Exactly. No fights, just business. That makes me happy.
Me too. What else did you see?
Let me think. This trade deal could change how we buy things, like cheaper imports maybe.
Yes, that would help with costs and projects. We have budgets to think about.
Totally. Last year, prices went up a lot. This could fix that.
I remember that. It was hard to plan.
You project managers always plan everything. I just sell and hope for the best.
That is funny, but planning helps avoid problems.
True. So with these deals, maybe more jobs too.
Yes, trade creates jobs. Good for everyone.
I hope so. My sales targets are high this quarter.
Keep working hard. You always meet them.
Thanks. You are nice. Now about the details. The article said EU and Asia will sign soon.
When this year?
Probably by end of 2025. Fast action. That is quick. Governments usually take time.
Yes, but economy needs help now.
Right? Inflation is still high in some places.
I saw that. This deal might lower it.
Fingers crossed. Okay, next news.
Tell me.
Oh, there is tech news. From the New York Times, they wrote about new solar panels. More efficient ones, published on July 9.
Solar panels? That is technology, right?
Yes, they use better materials. They make more energy from the sun.
Interesting. How does that help us?
In our office, maybe we can use them. Save on electricity bills. My boss would love that.
Good point. It is also good for the environment?
Totally. Less pollution. I think companies will buy more of them soon.
Yes. Projects could include green tech now.
Imagine our building with solar power. Cool, right?
Very cool. It makes me think about future changes.
Me too. Tech is moving fast. These panels are 20% better than old ones.
20%? That is a lot.
Yes, the article said they capture more sunlight.
How do they do that?
New coatings or something. I am not a tech guy, but it sounds smart.
It does. We could use this in our company projects.
Exactly. Maybe a new project for solar installation.
That would be exciting. Good for our resume, too.
Always thinking about career. I like it.
We all should. Now, are these panels available now?
The article says production starts in 2026.
Not too far. We can plan for it.
Yes, prices will drop as they make more.
That is how tech works. Gets cheaper over time.
Like phones. Remember old big ones?
Yes, now they are small and powerful.
Same with solar. Soon every house will have them.
That would save a lot of energy.
And money. My electric bill is high.
Mine too. This news makes me happy.
Me too. It is practical.
What is the third news?
Something fun. From the Wall Street Journal about a new music festival in Europe. Big stars are coming. Published on July 9.
A music festival? That is culture news?
Yes, it is huge. Thousands of people will go.
Sounds exciting. Who is performing?
Famous bands and singers. It is in summer, so perfect timing.
I like music events. They bring people together.
Me too. Maybe we can go one day, after work.
That would be nice. But I am busy with projects.
Yeah, me with sales. But it is good to dream.
True, it shows society is enjoying more events now.
Exactly. After tough times, people want fun.
Yes, news like this makes the day better.
For sure. The festival is in France, I think.
France? Beautiful place?
Yes, with good food and music.
I love French food, cheese and bread.
Huh, me too. Imagine listening to music and eating.
Perfect weekend.
Tickets are on sale now? Around 150 euros.
Not too expensive.
For big stars, it is a deal.
Who are the stars?
Like pop singers and rock bands, famous ones.
I might look it up later.
Do it. Tell me if you buy tickets.
Okay, it could be a team outing.
Great idea. Tell the boss.
Maybe. Now, how does this relate to work?
Well, happy people work better. Events like this boost mood?
True, culture is important for society.
Yes, it connects people from different places.
Like the trade deal, all connected in a way.
Huh, you see links everywhere.
That is my job. Project manager.
Good point. Now back to trade. Do you think it affects our suppliers?
Yes, if from Asia, maybe better prices.
That helps my sales pitches, lower costs, happy customers.
And for projects, timelines could improve.
No delays from shipping.
Exactly, global trade is key.
I agree. Now, solar panels again. Could we install them here?
Talk to facilities, it is possible.
I will. Save the company money.
And show we care about green energy.
Clients like that, good for business.
Yes, now the festival, when is it?
August 2025. Soon.
Summer fun?
Yes, weather will be nice.
I hope no rain.
In Europe you never know.
True, but music is indoors too?
Some parts, big stages outside.
Sounds great.
It does. Maybe next year we go.
Plan it.
Okay, hey, this chat is nice, but work calls.
Yes, my meeting is soon.
Have a good one.
Thanks you two with sales.
See you later.
See you.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.